Today I'm going to show you how to navigate the MT4 platform and how to customize your chart. We're going to start by having a fresh chart, a new chart window. So when you open up the MT4 platform, all your charts are going to look like this. So if we just right click, we can start customizing. We go to colors. I like a white background and a black foreground. And then a down bar in red and the up bar in green, bull candle green, and the bear candle in red. And if we go to common here, we can show the ask line so we can see the difference between the bid and the ask. Okay. And if we go up top here and click candlesticks, because we want a candlestick chart, then we want to zoom in. And if we just click this button here, this is going to take the chart just away from the edge of the screen, like that. If we right click again, we can get rid of the grid. That looks a bit better. Now we can start inserting some indicators. So if we go to insert here and indicators and trend, I like to have a 200 exponential moving average as my slow moving average. And I like to have it in blue. Then I also want a 50 exponential moving average. And I like to have that in red. If we just right click the moving average, we can actually edit the time frame on which we can see it. So we go visualization. I only want to see this on the lower time frames because that's what I use it for. The 1, the 5, the 15, and possibly the 30. Okay, and we're going to do the exact same thing for the 50 moving average. The 1, 5, 15, and 30. So you can see we're on the 1 hour time frame at the moment and we can't see them. We're going to drop down to the 50 minute and they're there. So if we go back to the 4 hour chart, I'm going to add in some different indicators for the 4 hour and the 1 hour chart. So I'm going to go to trend moving average. And I like to have a 21 exponential moving average as my slow moving average. Then I also want an 8 exponential moving average for my fast moving average on the higher time frame. 8. I want this to be thin and in red. So I use this on the 4 hour chart to define the trend. If the 8 is below the 21, then we're in a downtrend, and if it's above, we're in an uptrend. You can see I'm just going to divide this up so you can see. Zoom in a bit there. So as you can see here, this is an uptrend as the 8 is above the 21. Then we move into a downtrend here as it's below, above. We can add another one in there as the trend has changed. And if we just drop down to the 15-minute chart, we can get rid of these. We only want to see these on the higher time frame, the 1, the 4, and the daily. And we're going to do the exact same thing for this 8 exponential moving average. There we go. That looks a little bit more clean. So on my chart, I also like to have my custom indicators. So I want the ELD algorithm. This is great for intraday trading as it provides great entries. And I also like to have some support and resistance levels. So I'm going to add in my other indicator, my daily pivot points. So I'm going to adjust the value here to -2. As my broker is 2 hours ahead of me, I want to put -2 in, and this will give me the GMT time that I want. And that's it. Now, if we want to execute an order, we want to go into the top left side of the screen and click buy or sell to either buy or sell. We'll click buy. And now to set our take profit or stop loss, we simply drag up or down. Since this is a buy, we're going to drag up to set our take profit. And if we drag down, that's going to set a stop loss. As you can hear it pinging, it's going straight to my phone. To close the position, you just want to right click here and click close. And that's everything. If we want to add in some support and resistance, you can see up here we have some more tools. This is our crosshairs. This is good for measuring distances. So if we click and drag, we can see it measures distances in pips. and we can see we can add in some lines here. And this is all customizable, but this is all down to your personal preference. And that's everything. If you want to get your hands on some of these indicators, these are our own custom indicators. They're available on fletchertrading.co.uk. This is the Elder algorithm, and these are the daily pivot points. Thanks for watching.